Hey guys, in today's video on Quick Assist, I'm going to be showing you how to turn off live photos. Alright, so most of you know that there's live photos. Live photos makes like a 2-second kind of video footage of the photo. But if you want to turn it on, turn it off. So for example, it's live right now. So then when I go and look at it, and I hold it down, turn it off. See, it's like a video. Turn it off. Alright, so to save storage space and also maybe even have better quality photos, what we're going to want to do is whenever you're going to take a photo, you'll see next to the Thunderbolt sign, which is the flash, you'll see this, the two circles. Go ahead and push that, and then it'll say live off. Now when you take a photo, it will no longer be live. It's just like a still frame. Okay, so if you want to go ahead and turn it back on, all you have to do is go back into camera. So then I'm going back into camera, and then I'm going to go ahead and push that circle button, and it says live again. Now we are back live. All right, guys, I hope this video helps. Please like, subscribe, and comment. See you next time. Bye-bye.